Alright, it's on page 100 I think on yours. So, to calculate USC. So on the first €10,036, you pay 2%, which is, for the first, so this is gross, you pay 272. For the next 5,980, you pay 4% of 5,980, 238 or 239.2, and then the remainder, all the money above 16,016, you pay 7%. All right. So we'll take a figure of 40,000. We'll use this table here on the left hand side. All right. So if I was to write down the table, this is the rate. Charged on income. So you pay 2% on the first 10,036. Now you'll be given this in the question. You pay 4% on everything from 10,036 to 16,000 and 16. You pay 7% on anything above 16,016. Right? So that's your table. So if I said to you, right, 40 euro earning 40,000, so let's calculate USC for 40,000. So remember, USC is another charge, so once you calculate your USC, you'll be taking it away from the money that you take home. Alright, so what's 2% of 10,036? So 10,036 times 2%. Alright, so you're going to minus 200.72. Alright, we earn 40,000, so we'll keep going. The difference between these two, so 16,016 minus 10,030, 16,016 minus 10,036. So 5980 when you subtract these two. So 5980 multiplied by 4%. And that is, so we're going to minus 239.20. Alright, and what number am I going to put in here? 40,000. That's how much I'm earning. So I'm going to subtract these two and multiply it by 7%. 6 times 7%. Something went wrong there. Right, so minus 1678.88. Alright, so it's 40,000 minus that, minus that, minus that. Well, I'll add up the red bits to see how much USC that I pay. So 200.72 plus 239.20 plus 1678.88 equals. So the USC that I pay is 2118.80. So I'm going to be subtracting that away from, once I take away my tax from my 40,000. So once I calculate my 20% tax and 40% tax and take that away and do all of that, I'm going to be subtracting USC off that amount. Alright? So do you understand how you do that? So it's 10,000, so it's the difference between these two multiplied by 2%. The difference of these two multiplied by 4%. And I'm earning 40,000, so I put 40,000 in there. The difference between these two multiplied by 7%. And you add the three of them together, USC. It's my USC. Alright?